Hi, now உங்க TK. Welcome back to TP Wear Bro. Today is a special day for wish you a heartfelt Mother's Day. The world needs our mothers. Life began with a waking up and a loving my mother's face. Today we will see paper 2, subject Chaucer to Shakespeare. Part 2 continuous question number 51. Which one of the following is not a European humanist? Option A. Petrarch and Boccaccio. Option B. Erasmus and Montaigne. Option C. Machiavelli. Option D. Thomas More. Correct answer is option D. Thomas More. Question number 52. Battle of Castilian took place in the year option A 1453, option B 1450, option C 1408, option D 1463. Correct answer is option A 1453. Question number 53. Musica Transalpina, a collection of songs, was written by option A Edward Young, option B Marlowe, option C Nicholas Young, option D Spencer. Correct answer is option C Nicholas Young. Question number 54. The song ending with the spotted snakes with a double tongue is taken from the play option A The Tempest, option B Hamlet, option C A Midsummer Night's Dream, option D As You Like It. Correct answer is option C A Midsummer Night's Dream. Question number 55. How many works did Haxton translate? Option A 24, option B 4, option C 18, option D 12. Correct answer is option A 24. Question number 56. The game and play of the chess is a work by option A More, option B Haxton, option C T.S. Eliot, option D Middleton. Correct answer is option B Haxton. Question number 57. Governance of England is a work by option A Fortescue, option B Peacock, option C Haxton, option D More. Correct answer is option A Fortescue. Question number 58. Morse Utopia was published in the year option A 1516, option B 1535, option C 1471, option D 1485. Correct answer is option A 1516. Question number 59. The kingdom of Nowhere is another name of option A Utopia, option B the Wasteland, option C Animal Farm, option D Ars Poetica. Correct answer is option A Utopia. Question number 60. Chaucer's Canterbury Tales was published in the year option A 1369 onwards, option B 1376 onwards, option C 1386 onwards, option D 1399 onwards. Correct answer is option C 1386 onwards. Question number 61. Which one is considered to be the true prologue to the Renaissance? Option A Praise of Folly, option B Morte Arthur, option C Utopia, option D The Canterbury Tales. Correct answer is option C Utopia. Question number 62. Who presented the real picture of 14th century English life? Option A Langland, option B Shakespeare, option C Chaucer, option D Mandeville. Correct answer is option C Chaucer. Question number 63. Columbus discovered America in the year option A 1498, option B 1492, option C 1512, option D 1488. Correct answer is option B 1492. Question number 64. Vasco da Gama reached India in the year option A 1498, option B 1492, option C 1512, option D 1488. Correct answer is option A 1498. Question number 65. Haxton printed more tea order in option A 1485, option B 1475, option C 1515, option D 1490. Correct answer is option A 1485. Question number 66. Sarai's sonnets are addressed to option A Lady Benelov, option B Mr. W.H., option C Lady Elizabeth Fitzgerald, option D Florina. Correct answer is option C Lady Elizabeth Fitzgerald. Question number 67. Who is the writer of Decameron? Option A Chaucer, option B Dante, option C Boccaccio, option D Fitzgerald. Correct answer is option C Boccaccio. Question number 68. Total's Miscellany is a collection of dash songs, sonnets and lyrics. Option A 300, option B 350, option C 99, option D 199. Correct answer is option A 300. Question number 69. Who is the author of Inferno? Option A Petrarch, option B Dante, option C Boccaccio, option D Erasmus. Correct answer is option B Dante. Question number 70. Sackville induction was written in option A Tessa-Rima, option B Rime Royal, option C Heroic couplet, option D Tacit. Correct answer is option B Rime Royal. Question number 71. The Mirror of Magistrates was written by option A Thomas Sackville, option B Sir Thomas Wyatt, option C Surrey, option D Spencer. Correct answer is option A Thomas Sackville. Question number 72. During the pilgrimage, Chaucer told a story the name of which is option A The Tale of Prioress, option B The Clerk's Tale, option C The Parson's Tale, option D Tale of Melibans. Correct answer is option D Tale of Melibans. Question number 73. Dunbar satirized his law courts in his option A Tidings from the Session, option B Golden Badge, option C Satire on Edinburgh, option D Dance of the Seven Deadly Sins. Correct answer is option A Tidings from the Session. Question number 74. Dunbar's satire on Edinburgh is an attack on option A hollowness of religion, option B dirty condition of society, option C superiority of males, option D none of these. Correct answer is option B dirty condition of society. Question number 75. Elizabeth I succeeded a Catholic dictator, the name of whom is option A Mary, option B Edward IV, option C, and option D, Henry VIII. Correct answer is option A, Mary. Today we completed 75 one words. From tomorrow onwards, continued 76 to 100 one words. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்களுடைய ஒப்பீனியனை கமெண்ட்டில் தட்டி விடுங்க, உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணிடுங்க. இது வரைக்கும் என்னோட சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கீழே இருக்க பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணி விடுங்க. நான் அப்லோட் பண்ணுற ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனில் வந்துக்கிட்டே இருக்குது. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங். கீப் சப்போர்ட்டிங் மை சேனல்.